How to instant transfer money from Venmo to bank account. Hello everybody, in order to do that you may follow up these simple steps. So for that you may directly open up the Venmo application on your screen and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, if you're on your home tab, you may tap on the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on Me tab here, you will be finding this. So all you gotta do is from your given balance that you have on your wallet, in order to transfer it into bank account, you can find the transfer button in your screen, the option transfer. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, here is the available balance. So we have two options, instant and 1 to 3 business days. So if you want to transfer it instantly, you may tap on the instant, which is in a few minutes. But in order to transfer it, you will be getting some charge. You will get charged for transferring it instantly. While if you do not want any kind of fees, charged, you can select the 1 to 3 business days. But since you are looking for instant, tap on the instant in the first option and tap on transfer from the bottom. Tap on that option. Once that is done, the transfer will be initiated and it will directly be transferred if you're on instant. And once you view your home page back again, you should be finding the balance has been created to 0, which means the balance has been transferred to your bank account. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.